welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a completely glueless wig install. You guys won't believe that this wig is completely glueless. I haven't applied any glue, any spray, any adhesive, nothing, just mousse and good old Wig Grip, and I'm so shocked at how this came out. I'm going to show you exactly how I got this very easy, very simple wig to be installed on my head. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys at the end. Mwah. So today we are trying a wig from MYFIRSTWIG. This is what their box looks like. Very secure, very sturdy, very hard, so you're not gonna get a messed up shipping or messed up wig when your wig does arrive. I love the packaging. So we're actually doing something very different today. We are gonna try this wig, and it's a lace front wig. Let me actually show you what the wig looks like first, and then I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do. So this is what the wig looks like. It's a gorgeous mid-length. It's about, I think about 16 to 18 inches, and it's a kinky texture, and it has gorgeous highlight, and it has this really nice HD frontal. I think it's either transparent or HD. I'll leave all the details down below, but I've gone ahead to give her a little straighten, and I've opted for a middle part today. Today, we're actually gonna be trying this wig with no glue whatsoever. No glue, no gel, no sprays, nothing. You're probably thinking, how is your wig gonna stay on your head? So, for the first time ever, I've been seeing these all over the internet. I'm sure you've probably seen them as well. These are called Wig Grips. So we're gonna try it today. Hopefully it works, otherwise this will be really awkward. So this is what it looks like. It's just this like plastic thing with like, it has little grips on it. You wear it onto your wig cap and it helps the wig stay secure onto your head and it's not gonna come off. I haven't tried it, so we're gonna experiment together. Hopefully it works, like I said. I do already have, let me take this off. I do already have my wig cap down. So I'm gonna try the Wig Grip. Because we're wearing a middle parting, I'm guessing the bit that's less grippy would be where the parting is. So I'm gonna try this on. I'm really praying this works, because honestly, I was in two minds about this, because I'm like, how is this really gonna sit on my head with nothing holding it? Well, this is holding it, but I'm so used to having like at least a spray or something, you know? Okay, so you just apply it like so. Then I'm gonna get my wig, and the wig already comes, let me just do a little close up of the wig. It comes already bleached, already plucked. It comes with an elastic band and combs inside, which is so helpful. It's very useful to wear glueless because it has everything you need for it not to come off your head, basically. It has everything you need for it not to come off your head. So I'm just gonna try it on. I haven't actually tried on this wig. I feel like with glueless wigs, they have to kind of fit. If they're too big or too small, it won't look right. So I'm hoping this fits just right. Wow, this actually fits pretty snug. I'm very surprised about that. My only issue is you can kind of see my wig cap and the wig grip underneath. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off my wig cap and then I'm gonna put some foundation on the wig grip so it blends with my skin. But these are what the highlights look like on the wig. Absolutely gorgeous. I normally would have gone in with a toner to tone it up a bit, but I think I actually like the brassy copper kind of highlights. I think it looks nice. Let me just take it off and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so as you guys saw, I did go in to color the band in. One constructive criticism that I would give the brand is to maybe, especially if they're targeted towards black women, maybe consider making the wig grip a darker shade, just so we wouldn't have to do that. As you guys can see, this looks way better than it did before. Honestly, the wig by itself looks gorgeous. Like, I'm really looking forward to cutting the lace to see how it looks. Okay, now it's time to cut the ear tabs. Okay, so the ear tabs are off and this is what we're looking like. I'm just gonna pull the wig a little bit forward, and now I'm gonna basically do the same steps I do when I'm gluing my wig down, but without the spray or the glue. So I'm gonna cut this in 3 parts. Yeah, and just work in sections to cut off the wig. I use my razor because I don't trust myself with scissors. So this is gonna give me a more natural finish, so it doesn't look too straight, and it gives the illusion of a natural hairline. Okay, so I finished cutting off the lace, and as you guys can see, the middle, wait, let me just get this bit off my forehead. The middle looks beautiful, completely flawless. It doesn't even look like it's not glueless. However, the sides is where we have the problem because it's doing a little floppy flap here. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to get my mousse and just lay that down and then use an elastic band to strap it on, leave it for about 30 minutes and come back and see how it looks. So let's try that, see if it works. Apart from that, the wig does feel very secure on my head. It doesn't feel like it's going anywhere. I'm gonna use my Care mousse. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty, but this is just a Care mousse. I'm just gonna put that on the side. Okay guys, so it's been about, I don't know why I always do that, like, it's been about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna take this off because it's hurting my head. Oh, okay, this bit is still flapping, but for the most part, she's sitting. Okay, we're not mad. We are not mad. But do you know what? I'm actually not gonna wear it with like the sides. I'm just gonna wear it in the middle part, like covering my ears, so I don't have to worry about the flaps flapping. I'm gonna do the comb test for you so you guys can see. Completely glueless, and it looks amazing. I'm so impressed with this wig. That is pretty much it. I've already styled it off camera like I said, but I'm gonna give you a little close-up of the highlights. The highlights are so cute. I absolutely love them. On this side as well. Argan oil down on that, and we are all done, guys. This is such a quick install, which is always good for the girlies because not everyone has time to be sitting there sticking down wigs onto our foreheads. That was probably the quickest wig video I've ever done, but I hope you guys enjoy and I hope you learned something. Again, I'll leave all the info to this wig down below. Thank you to MYFIRSTWIG for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys soon in another one. Bye guys. Mwah.